Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about that module number 4, that is underground cables. Here we are going to discuss about that problems on dielectric stress in a single core cable. A 33 kV single core cable has a conductor diameter of 1 centimeter and a sheath of inside diameter 4 centimeter. Find the maximum and minimum stress in the insulation. So a 33 kV single core cable has a conductor diameter of 1 centimeter and sheath of inside diameter 4 centimeter. Find the maximum and minimum stress in the insulation. So the maximum stress, so let us see the problem. In this problem they given that line voltage VL is equal to 33 kV and they given that conductor diameter. The conductor diameter D is equal to 1 centimeter they given and sheath diameter capital D they given 4 centimeter insulation diameter. Now here we have to find out that maximum stress on the conductor and minimum stress at the conductor surface. The maximum stress at the conductor surface and its value is given by, we know the formula, G maximum is equal 2V divided by D into log of base E into capital D divided by small d volts per meter. Here from the given problem, we know that the line voltage VL is equal to 33 kilovolts. Then conductor diameter small d is equal to 1 centimeter and insulation diameter capital D is equal to 4 centimeter. So now we are going to substitute that all the data in the given formula, that is G maximum is equal to V divided by small d into log of base E into capital D divided by small d. So here 2 into V means 33 kilovolts, that is RMS value, 33 into 10 power 3 kilo means, divided by small d is equal 1 log of base E into capital D, like 4 by small d 1. So if by substituting all the data here, the maximum stress at the conductor surface, that is G maximum is equal 47.61 kilovolts we got after doing simplification. So G maximum is equal 47.61 kilovolts per centimeter is the maximum stress here. Then the minimum stress occurs at the sheath level is given by G minimum is equal same formula 2V divided by, instead of small d here I am going to take that capital D, that is capital D into log of small e into capital D divided by small d volts per meter. So here V means we know that line voltage, that is 33 into 10 power 3 volts divided by capital D means 4 into log of base E into capital D divided by small d, that is again 4 by 1. So after doing simplification here we got the minimum stress at the sheath level is given by 11.9 kilovolts per centimeter. It is an RMS value what we are calculated here. Now we know the formula G minimum is equal G maximum into small d divided by capital D. As we know that G minimum, that is equal G maximum, just now we are calculated G maximum 47.61 kilovolts. So 47.61 into 1 by 4. So 47.61 into 1 by 4 means here we get the answer like 11.9 kilovolts per centimeter. Therefore, the minimum electrical stress and maximum electrical stress both are to be same for the given problem. Hence, grading has been done for that given conductors in this problem. Now, we are going to discuss that one more problem, that is problem number 2. The maximum and minimum stresses, in the dielectric of a single core cable are 40 kilovolts per centimeter, that is RMS value, and 10 kilovolts per centimeter, it is also RMS value respectively, full stop. If the conductor diameter is 2 centimeters, find the thickness of insulation, and the second one is operating voltage. So in the given problem, they given the two stress values like G maximum value 10 kilovolts per centimeter, 40 kilovolts per centimeter, and G minimum value, that is nothing but electrical stress. The stress on the insulating media, the stress on the dielectric material, that is G maximum is equal 40 kilovolts per centimeter and G minimum is equal 10 kilovolts per centimeter. Those values are RMS values, nothing but root mean square values or effective values. And one more data they given in the problem, like small d is equal to 2 centimeter they given. Now here we have to find out that capital D value, that is nothing but thickness of insulation and operating voltage. So here I am going to write all the given data, like Z maximum is equal 40 kilovolts per centimeter and Z minimum is equal 10 kilovolts per centimeter and small d is equal 2 centimeter and capital D is equal question mark. So now I want to calculate capital D, but we know the formula G minimum divided by, G maximum divided by G minimum is equal capital D divided by small d. So from here I want to calculate that G capital D. Capital D means I can send the denominator small d to left hand side. Now the above equation can become as capital D is equal G maximum divided by G minimum into small d. As we know that G maximum is equal 40 kilovolts per centimeter divided by G minimum is equal 10 kilovolts per centimeter into small d is 2 centimeters. So 40 by 10 into 2, that is 8 centimeters. So therefore capital D is equal 8 centimeters. Here we got. Next, insulation thickness. Therefore insulation thickness is equal capital D minus small d divided by 2. Capital D is nothing but 8 minus small d, 2 divided by 2. 8 minus 2, 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 2 ones, 2 3. So it becomes 3 centimeter. Therefore the thickness of insulation, that means insulation thickness capital D minus small d divided by 2, that becomes 3 centimeters. Now I am going to calculate that G maximum value. That is G maximum is equal to V divided by small d into log of base E into capital D divided by small d. So from this formula I want to calculate that V, because in the given problem they ask us to find out the second question, that is operating voltage. So from this formula I am going to derive the formula to find out that operating voltage, that is G maximum is equal to V divided by small d into log of base E into capital D divided by small d. From here V is equal to G maximum into small d into log of base E into capital D divided by small d divided by 2. That becomes G maximum value can become as 40, because they given in the problem 40 kilovolts per centimeter. Therefore 40 into small d value 2, we know 2 into log of base E into capital D means 4 divided by small d means 1 divided by 2. So here the operating voltage here we got like 55.45 kilovolts. 55.45 kilovolts is nothing but RMS value, which is also called as root mean square value. So in this problem, if you closely observe, that is, they ask us to find out that they ask us to find out that thickness of insulation. The thickness of insulation in case of that is the thickness of insulation, that is capital D formula, that is capacitance of a single core cable concept. There we know the formula capital D is equal small d plus 2 into thickness of insulation, 2 times of thickness of, that is the formula actually. But coming to here the formula is slightly changes, that is capital D is equal the ratio of G maximum to G minimum into small d. So there is a lot of differences between when we compare with the same formula to find out that insulation thickness of insulation from the concept of dielectric loss and from the concept of capacitance of a single core cable. So these are some of the important things what we have to remember while we are solving the problem. So anyhow, according to the given problem, here we are calculated that thickness of insulation. The thickness of insulation here we got, that is 8 centimeters, and operating voltage here we got like 55.45 kilovolts, and the value is also RMS value, because here 55.45 kilovolts is nothing but RMS value, because earlier they given in the given data that is 40 kilovolts per centimeter and 10 kilovolts per centimeter. That is nothing but maximum electrical stress and minimum electrical stress, whose values are represented in RMS. That's why after calculating that operating voltage V, that also 55.45 kilovolts what we calculated, that is also in RMS value. Thank you.